Webare mnonga kandi ninyenye kuri aho washema Prof Tarho, Honorable Katesh Tarho na Eliod. Konka for now nka mchara kuya settinga kama zimba he 2 million, we will come back on board.
Yebare mnonga kuturga shema tuzakashari kashari niyo mbara district wankabona bortera hono re ankore yona tujukwire no basava gambere.
For Honorable Patrick Msingiza Kochi katereza 1 million tikabaho konkesha yona need.
Yebare mnonga Honorable Msingiza Patrick Kashar North yaja unatankana 1 million kutukurga Kashar North tuzomura mbara city. It's the only city in the region. Honorable mwine mpaka behahire milioni 10. Honorable mase milioni 10 twasigaza Honorable bakashaba mukama wanje kandi munywano wanje kuruga kare na Honorable Kibaju mwenye cha president wenzo tahama bambara twataryezo no wasakubagambira muzindara bambara ngo bakwataryezo
mukwataryezo muzubai
ona bakasaba ni mumanya ikoraye ni mamu naje kubahereza with time ona cyata wanona gamba hati ninga can wait ona ukazora kwina mva ibu yaje ngo why not
mwebare mnonga bantu mwe nabahereza abo supportinga ebyemizano kandi abanyambara city ne bakimanya ngu nkatandika ni supporting emizano ni supporting Ambara Corporate Club ni supporting abeshongozi ni mkwatireho mnonge minyeto mbwena hati ahati nkabura kusupportinga ebyemizano for Ankole Cup konka murese na urangu hina mwana mugamba bambara city abuntayetegereza ninye woman member of parliament Mbara city omutia nargambara aguma tugambire a reporting wanje. That's a joke, but otherwise nabahereza milioni 5 kubakwatiraho ahamizana abambara city. Mbara city oye, Mbara city oye, Ibanda oye, Shema oye, Buweju oye, Ankole oye, kare Bushenyi oye, Isinjiro oye, Ruteraho oye. Mwebare mnonga
omuringo ko mutano nishabatu gaketereho Honorable Kibazo mungalo. Honorable Charite Kibazo ka muhanda ajya ngoma zina ngumenga mareyo woman MP Mbara city nyongera nisa echa deputy speaker ati ndachongera no secha kirgeremo so katkomari ebi mwebare munonga kuturga Mbara city tuzisinjiro Honorable Ruteraho milioni 5 beyazihire kongatu neyo mugiga mutima tumukumanya Honorable Asensio Mar Muzuni ababona ndabanywana banje kandi nyone ni nywana bagiga munonga numurenko mwana muto konka uguno basajja baraba wisinjiro
shaka wante kayiguru munonga abwa isinjiro kandi kujya nito tunene chikopo nyoniza kwa milioni 3 ninza kubahaza ajaze zone zibakwenda kandi nawe ninza kutambura nabo bagamba idi natambura nabo konka this time round buri mupya ninza kuzaho icyakwetenga cyona ninza kuchiteka mwebare munonga kandi ntwenda kubamanyisa ngo live aha Tayari TV na NBS Sport so wano ha contribution ye manyangu bakwineje ko mu constituency kana nisaba turahuseho tuzomu item ndijo ahabwe nshonga yo bwire cause ba members ba parliament amukurenda abantu bari bize kandi batobwire bwabo so nanishabana n'abantu bari yaha tubase kurahuseho ahabwa time katuze constituency bakweta Isinjiro West abakumanya Kabuyanda abakumanya Saidejo akwanya burukiye ko muri inkore ninshimanya bwendanga muntu so Honorable Anthony twakwakira kandi izina riga kashatu bamweta byensha so twatandikira harunje we bari munonga
nanye ninja kongeraho miliyoni 1 ndijo ndizaba miliyoni 2 and I will make sure I participate from the beginning up to the end.
We bari munonga Honorable kuturwa ko tuzaciruhura wa Honorable Genensio niyo wabajwekera then tuzakazo
abashura murenka muriyo abashirura n'abashira umunjomo nabantaje nensio tumuramye ninkune bimpira munonga nimbagira nkatanko kashonje kapu nza kwa miliyoni 2 abashira district.
Yebare munonga ibanda babagambire katuhendere na captain waba MPs akwa kakuruta kurwa kare ngwibanda tekagambire
webare munonga chairman ibanda district nyonka member wa parliament ibanda municipality nkabana hire miliyoni 10 eshahezi abanyibanda narga kubasakira sponsor utuzafuteka hajaze yitu yatuhereza miliyoni 20 echo okuno kuwoninga kugenda hatimeze nke yakazo ngo ntwenda mumanye ngo abwaciye mbwa yabanenyara nemusye ho kuguru kumwe so mwiza mwese biribiri mumanye ngo hate kintu cyatabuka mwebare munonga
mutereho narebo agabapito mu ngaro zamani akabone MP kandi abasa kuleta na sponsor wa miliyoni 20 buri season izibahereza district yibanda kakuruta kurwa abibanda no munyankazo tuwamani konga captain narga kazo katuzo waho narebo atuyishire dani kimosho kandi tobarabiro mbwe bemeza bwa youth ugunuwo mukama witu wena mwine mpaka no batworire so ntukusima tinde bugaricura njo ko yo nampaka tukabaza hari niwe captain niwe coach.
Ebare munonga atebyo kutwera nibinshobera abo wakuriya ninyenye nyineka tatwera buginyuba ezo kwetengeza nzunda ahereze atini
kazo oe vibe na yamani niyese katwahika aha item ya mheru mwebare munonga katugaruke wa chairman wa events na sponsorship maze muterebure MP we na owagamba none tube no competition ya first district nichiruhura ninga ntungamo so babanti pinye ngo ntungamo ebene yagamba mheru nka first district mwebare munonga
webale munonga. There is no competition there. Konkana nyenda gambira abanyantunga mu banje bajang MP olachize vibe ni bamhikirabo ninjani mundeba. Me are looking at me no manyangu vibe ko direchi erho mwena abanyantunga mo ninye patron wabo nijwire vibe etikopo tutwara ntunga mo na aba milioni 10 na bindi tunga mo oye twina mchwezu witogwe etikopo ne chitu mwebale munonga.
Mwebale munonga kutantu baskat ba MP za bali mu kisanje kitwantu bonde njere chinda ataro kuza kutera umuntu akaje niyo vibe tukurondeje anyeseka twahika kuheza so byone bitugamba hati ntukwantu mixing amano ruzungu cause we are live on Tayari TV na NBS Sport so katu handing over our chairman wa finance and events at Twarum item ndijo.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Let's appreciate everyone for that time. Mureke tusime buri muntu wena owakora umurimo gugu yakora aha wenshonga yo gwire nja kore bintu ka bibiri mwana mushohora excuse me mwabana mushohora ntuza kuba aha muryango twine hoja zez za Nkore Cup Nkore Cup jaze erho. It is a full set uniform. Honorable members, I beg that we listen to each other. Order members. Honorable Bakashawa, you are protected. We have jerseys, and we have jerseys in all sizes. They are behind there, and each set is at 100,000 UGX. We also have T-shirts for those of you who do not like jerseys. They are white T-shirts, well branded. and each t-shirt is at 50,000 Ugandan shillings. They are behind there as you get out, so you can get yourself a t-shirt for Ankole Cup 2026. So abantu abana behind the ladies, Helen and Tracy, those who have jerseys, please bring them for these members of parliament and all the members who want to buy. They can give to them. Allow me, for the interest of time, to award we have awards for our people that have been supporting Ankole Cup ever since it started. This is its fifth edition. And we want to recognize the people that have been supporting this tournament ever since it started. And I am going to invite our guest of honor to come and be here. Okay. The first award goes to Women in Football Award. It goes to, that award is going to be given out by Honorable Anne Adeke Ebaju. Women in Football Award. And that award will go to Honorable Geneva Arenitwe Narongo. She has been supporting football all the way from Rubiri's district. And someone can receive it on her behalf and deliver it to her. Thank you so much, Honorable Cohen. Please take that photo. The next award is going to be given out by Mr. Primus Bahiji, and it's MPs in Community Football. MPs in Community Football Award, and it goes to Honorable Mwijute Francis. Honorable Mwijute Francis. Those are two awards. There are two awards, and both awards will be given out by Mr. Primus Bahiji. Honorable Mwijute Francis, well done. Let's appreciate Honorable Mwijute Francis, ladies and gentlemen. In that same category, the next award goes to Honorable Dan Atwijichere Chimosho, all the way from Kazo, MPs in Community Football Award. Let's appreciate Honorable Dan Chimosho, ladies and gentlemen. Muterenga rima benyu maba kuri wana mware kare. Okay. National level award is going to be given out by Honorable Bakashaba. And that award goes to none other than Honorable Mwine Mpaka Ruwamirama. For promoting football in Western Uganda, you know, Honorable Mwine Mpaka has a football club called Mbara City FC, and it has been in the top league for the last 5 seasons. So we are appreciating him for that. And of course, in that same category, we have another award going to Honorable Bakashaba. Please stay around. Another award in that same category goes to Engineer Brian Buhanda. Is he here? That is from NEC FC. MP from Shema can pick, the woman MP from Shema can pick it. Mr. Bahanda is from NEC FC. NEC FC is in Uganda Premier League. Okay. In that same category, we have another award going to the Right Honorable Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Thomas Tayebwa, in that same. For the Sports Act, the contribution made towards the Sports Act. Okay. Thank you so much, Honorable Chibajo will pick it on behalf of Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa. Thank you so much, Honorable. Okay. The next award is a cabinet award for the members of the cabinet that have contributed largely to football in the Western Uganda and specifically in Ankole, and that award is going to be given out by Engineer Karisa. Engineer Karisa, you can come forward. Honorable Engineer Karisa, you can come forward. The first award goes to Honorable Janet Kataha Museveni for the contribution made. Honorable First Lady has been giving in Tungamo district lots of money. In the last tournament, he gave 26 million shillings. And the woman MP for Tungamo should pick it on her behalf. And he must make sure that that award is delivered to the First Lady. The last tournament, the First Lady gave Ntungamo district 26 million shillings. In that same category, Honorable Karisa, you can stay. In that same category, we have Honorable Bright Wamirama, and Honorable Mpaka will pick it on his behalf. There is Angel. Okay. Yes. Yes. For the contribution, for supporting Ntungamo, also for supporting Isinjiro to become the defending champion. And in that same category, we have General Kahindo Tafire, and Honorable Kazora will pick it on his behalf for contributing massively to Metoma district. Honorable Honorable Karisa Chiroho, because those awards are in the same category. Thank you so much. Honorable Annette, you come and give out this gift. Foundation Award. Honorable Annette. That award goes to Michael Nimsima, and Alonso should come and pick it on his behalf. Because Michael Nimsima is the one who started this Ankole Cup. We are now in 5th edition, and we are appreciating him for that. For us, we came on board to rebrand this tournament, and we are appreciating Michael Nimsima for the contribution made, and job well done. Thank you so much. All other awards will be given out by our chief guest. and we shall start the Business Community Award, Engineer Posiano Biarugaba, for the contribution made. As you've heard, Engineer gave 40 million last season to Mitoma district. Konka sentence tuenda accountability kwa turari birechikopo. So Engineer Posiano yebare mnonga abo kushajika Mitoma kana nabo kushajika Ankore Cup kana nelizo ba Engineer Posiano atereza miliyoni 3 ahabo kugurekirabo. So mbwenu ntumusima mnonga. In that same category tuine Robert Kakogoso ora kurugamba Rome Hajiz wa Liverpool kana watwire na Hajira team no Mabati can pick it on behalf of Kakogoso Robert. Abaru kunjiribija hazar owo tarona rebo abaru kunjirba twasente nyinji munonga rukundo Paul no yabebe mbire. So hatu mwene rukundo Paul jeno secretary wawe yaheza kutwa sente twagura nechane cha president hatu antobaraho miliyoni 3. Finally, the most outstanding player from Ankore tournament, Paul Muchurezi. Let's appreciate Paul Muchurezi. He has promoted sports, he has promoted football. He played for Mbarara City, he went to NEC, went to KCCA, he was at Vipers, he has been everywhere. Paul Muchurezi. Ladies and gentlemen, let's appreciate Paul Muchurezi for promoting football. Ladies and gentlemen, very good. MP Wantunga mo yashemererwa abachara bariyo kamnaja ngumurete za jaze muzirete muhereza abantu abarabo kuzetaga. Please, Tracy and your team come and bring those jerseys and t-shirts for the people who want to buy. Aha finals ntija kugaba ebirabo kurigero ntija horoso kugaba ebirabo aha MPs kurigero kumara yo supporting team zanyu aha bahagizi kurigirira umuhagizo rasinje aha bazane bempira kurigero ratebe goals nyinji ningora kwateje keeper aba MPs aba supporting district zanyu kurugahi muratandikire mpaka itura henderere kandi tubahamzangu ebiro mukaga byo kwa mukaga ntuza baturi Bushenyi main stadium atine mwana na heki bari. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to unveil our sponsors, and I am going to invite our head of sponsorship to come and unveil to us our sponsors. After that, but before that, ladies and gentlemen, munchirize mbanze nyanjure MP wa Rubabo, umusiasa MP wa Rubabo, please stand up for recognition. Abantu bariyaha General Secretary wawe Rukundo Paul ariyaha kandi ogwe n'umushawitu ngure nyuma aho bwe nabo kunda Ankore sebo washanga twahereze kunka yebare kwija okay kare bwenu munchirize.
Yes, tayari. This is Saka from NBS. Clap for him. Tayari TV. New Vision. Come. Okay, no word there. It's okay. Thank you very much. Mamambi Dabze Motero Mungaro. Tayari is going to telecast 13 matches. Then let me, as you go back, I'm going to call you again. Netherlands Institute for Multiparty Democracy, Nimudi, has sponsored our dinner. Please, thank you, Nimud, for the support and your team behind that has helped in welcoming our guests today. Now, let me take this opportunity to introduce someone from Wonders, and then after we shall break down what Wonders is our official shirt sponsor. I think you've seen on the shirts. Official shirt sponsor behind. There is Wonders. It is the official sponsor for prize money. Let me ask Mr. Moses Avindamze from Wonders to come and give the short speech. You're welcome, sir.
abanyankwere muri je mwahwera mani kamwine ufukinenki abazani ne babene vibe bene bashemererwe nenki ntabaraho ki numwe namashaba kwesiga amazina nabanyeta mwese abinda bizemu nindigakiruhura abakiruhura murai abakiruhura kambagambire kuma no expecting abanyabushenyi abanyashema abanyantungamo abanyesingiro mwana mutegata yangu mpia namugwetegereza umpia nakutandikira kihora nka first district kandi yoguzagarikira so nzaka basinga tubasingire kimwe mwikirize nara mutakwenda ate ibine byakiruhura now nyenda kubanjura wonders n'ekitongore cyanje abanya-Uganda nikikora amashita go kwesiga nikikora sabuni nikikora n'amashita gishoke. Now I would like to tell you that we understand the needs of every Ugandan better than anyone else, and every product that we make is curated for Ugandans because we understand our skins better, we understand our hair better than any person in Uganda. So one which importing kwesiga, just know that Wonders has you covered very well. So stop importing because we have all the right products. Now, our fundamental value is that we need to ensure that we promote Ugandans to get the best of who they are supposed to be. That is who we are. And that is where we came on board to support Ankole Cup. For two fundamental reasons. One, ntuikiriza talenti, ntuikiriza ngomuntu ya maximizing a talent, everything else becomes successful. And for that, let us ensure that we mobilize, we support the team to mobilize people towards every event, every football match. Kuzakuza mpira okashanga hatariho supporters, hatariho fans, hatariho anybody to about commentators. We are committed 2 days every week. Nzaka mobilizing buri muntu hariho mpira gurishema, nzakureba ngo buri muntu wena owashema and around ta mobilizing ija ground. That's one of our responsibilities. Ekyakabiri of course ntamuna kakash. So as a company, we are contributing 100 million Uganda shillings, and part of it at the end of the day, abazana barasinje, teams rasinje will have some prize money to give. And we are committed to supporting Ankole Cup to the end. Twenda kubasima kutereza umugisha kwagera abantu beitu ka beitu. Kanza kongera kubita amamane na sente byone bikwetenyesa kureba ngo every talent is maximized. Thank you so much. May God bless you.
Thank you, Moses. Thank you, the team of Wonders. Now, thank you, Wonders. Before I invite Osborne, I want to introduce Rukundo Paulo, regard Kunjiri, stand up for recognition. Secretary General Kundi District NRM Chichoncho Berenda. Mchiga. Ebiro mwikende mushemize munonga. Makiri Nasimere. These are former youth leaders who have been participating. Former contestant. umwami Gumera John wa yubosi yemera abantu bakurebe sa John Gumera and the team from Kazo abantu bata team from Ibanda abantu bibanda bakera kwata bus mwemere abibanda mwanga kwemera. Thank you. Now I want to clarify on something as I leave this stage. This prize money is for 5 years. So, but on top of this prize money, Wonders will be distributing other things, having their own hair clinics, saloons. Bakutera tubaza ko ebizugo ibyo kuhindura skin. Nibaza ko bamba kora amashoke gabacyara mbarabe ya muvani ntaketsere osubona kushobora. Members katuhurizane. The first prize will be to St. Kagwa versus Nganwa, the people of Bushenya and Shema. Ishomero rasinye tuza kurihereze ente nkankore kapu. Ishomero rigiriye. So mbwenu abashema naraba Bushenyi Nganwa kera asinje abashema no bakutwara ente. Ababushenyi Kagwa yasinga nimo mukutwara ki? Konkane yishomera abano mu ishomereryo. Then the winner of the tournament, we are dividing 100 million over 5 years, 20 million. It's prize money. The winner of the tournament will get 10 million cash. The run-up will get 5 million cash. And then the semi-finalists, each one that goes to the semi-final will have 1 million. And then we are going to have awards for the top scorer, most outstanding player. Previously, ebintu bayibatakubiha abantu bamwishite bakabasinga tournament batembaroro zabo bataha boheje kutimba gold. Now, most outstanding MPs, they will get their awards. Yeah? Most outstanding fans, you will get your awards. So this prize money will be distributed, and at the end of the day, you will feel it that it has been. People have been winning and they don't get their money. This time you will get your money. Katasof Wonders. Once again, let's clap for Wonders. I had forgotten Maprima Africa. If you want money, you have financial problems. MD Maprima Africa, stand up. The team. Maprimu nibahereza roni wakafuna yino short na watire mu absente mutugire kutwa organizinga. So okay, so let's have someone clarify on the shirt because it is a big issue.
Yebare mnonga ahabwe nshonga yobwire twantwenda nanisha bagirwa nkwatira jaze ya yero ona lebo ko hene na lebo ine vibe bane wije igare turege aman kandi garanimba hstins nazo no tune size zone ekitwanda kutangaza cyo kubanza neki ompira gwaba MP zo kubarazane n'abanyamahurire onalebo danchi mosho yagenda onalebo masa ijo misho izo bene wazukira onalebo kimosho manicho rare izo side ya hano misho no munyamahura ready ndi gitu na kijana man onalebo ko ni ajya unaita kijana man nabasa no kugira kuyagera imera side ya onalebo ko hene. You can give us another jaze, yellow jaze. Manicho ija hano.
Another yellow jaze.
Okay. Ekitwantu enda kushobora neki. Ompira kuturazane Bushenyi. Okuno kijana mano mukura bagureta Bushenyi TV na one bokwene ajangwa side. Yajangwa abaye mwakapero kwa rena agorangira TV za side ya Manicho ninga ha radio twabamanyisa ngo ompira kuturazane Bushenyi buri member wa parliament uraze kuzana naija kubajurire jaze ya yerejo erihizina ryawe tuko jaze jo noje gura handika izina ryawe wamara kuzana ompira nogena nayo mu constituency batarija ngo tokuhagera menyeto jaze y'abanyamahurire nibija kwa bajurire jaze ya white Manicho rare niwe captain w'abanyamahurire. Assistant wewe ni kijana mani. Kijana manogo nazana namba mwenda na yirukira kimwe nabasa kwa nasigana naona libogenensiyo. Then isitwa na utangazeho ahanyuma hano murebe nyuma aha side ya white jaze. Wonders muri kigamba ikiri. Buri team eri kuza kuzana umwankore cup. Twine buzubuniwe ngo bonale bagabo kuyashobora ngo ibande funde sponsor wa miliyoni 20 omesho no basa kwandika ho Ebo Sako, Stanbic Banka, Chapsi, ninga engineer Karisa, nka engineer Posiano that season tukatumina mujozi gwa Mitoma is a sole sponsor. Konkenyima buri district oine kuba ineho rogo ya Wonders. Nka prize money sponsor. twachetegereza so buri district eraza no mwankore cup aha mujozi gwawe nyuma hano hanyuma oine kuba ine hoki wonders twachetegereza tubetaka tunjire main sponsor ako price kugita milioni rukaga kugira ngo umuntu yatwa milioni rukaga tureke kuteganisa ba MPs na contributions tubente mangu district twakuza haki esenti so kuture twatungire main sponsor nabo turahindura izina rya Ankole Cup ukasangana bageta nka MTN Ankole Cup ninga wonders nko mugiga wa wonders mukamayo ko rya Moses ukagira uti twabongera milioni 5 tournament mugize tweteje mwebare mnonga so anashaba akapera then body district ngo mpira je mukurebera organized nkoko kureba rogweji ya Ankole Cup ngoko mukureba English Premier League mukareba Man U ninga Arsenal no ija kushanga ngwaha aruhorogo ya Ankole Cup aha mukono Arsenal yonka okay tunano misho aha ntunda ngurogo ya Ankole Cup oboji na rubaju district yawe honorable Rwakizi oteka horogo yachi isingiro bukanga kumurutunga district nabwo ryatohorogo ya bukanga konga for now isingiro district mwebare mnonga katufunda akapera ka kijana man orompira kure no gutambura kano mugiga idari yaha wamushemeza nugaraka bushenyo ine motoka
amazina ganje ndo banyita kijana man omutuze ompira gwatandika hagati ya Shema na Bushenyi bakuteka sino kwisha nekwata kwa musamba kweta hirare ya kuteka sino kwisha na batero mpira no kwisha timu ya Bushenyi ya Rumba ya kuteka iguru kwisha batera hansi Ankole Cup 12 mkaga nachi wandazi ateka msente Hajidi agamba Shangarisa engineer ya kuteka wa mwizuche honorable Aneti ya kuteka hansi gwiza kwa shanga iguru mbarasite kwa shanga mwine mpaka ya kuteka iguru kwa jenda iguru mnonga mpaka mukati ba 0-0 Ankole Cup bila mkaga shana Mario Mutuze nachi
Echani
webare konga nsaba ngona lebo kijana mano teze chana na woman MP wantunga muri kusinga yobuto omba MPs bone nsaba ngo ijano teze nawe chana bwa vibe no enda nabona lebo chibazo ngo niwe ijo teze chana kijana mani abahagizo bine na Bushenyi ona lebo mase niwe za side ejo teze chana kijana mani kana ine vibe no ndarteraho aso bona novenda
Ankole juu ngati mwine vibe Ankole juu Bushenyi juu Isingiro juu Ntungamo juu Shema juu Ibanda juu Churura juu Kazo juu Rwampara juu Ntungamo juu Rubirizi juu Mitoma juu Zona juu mwebare
just a minute Osborne. Okay, mwebare mnonga
we are running out of time.
As we finish, I want to introduce kijana man meya wa Bushenyi division eha Central Division is a politician in Bushenyi. Osborne he nechi anaenda kukora tsari echo. Okay, katwakire honorable Genensio abakiruhura batura batakurga mu group katire Genensio cyarugamba obundi mukarugo mu group waborogire obundi akaba yafiri.
Members, good evening once again. Obona bandi aha na banzura milioni 2 nka MP wa Kashonji abwachiro district konga kunta mum akatoje ndabuti batija binji abamwe, so I made phone calls to my colleague members of parliament, so this is their response. Honorable Kajwenje Wilson ya milioni 2 abwachiro district nimtwara 5 eraze aha county ya region. Then again, Honorable Ruth Rujoche ya milioni 2 abwachiro district nimtwara 5 erije account ya region. So far Chirwa district milioni 6 izaza account ya Chirhura district. Chirhura oye. First district oye. Genesi oye.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for the interest of time. Like I had promised, we are running out of time. I am going to invite Honorable Mwijiche Francis as one of the people that started this tournament to give a few remarks. Then he will invite the woman member of parliament for Bushenyi, who will invite our guest of honor, and we shall close. Abisinjiro ona Rwakizi abongere mtwara atano. So riare yara turi kato musindi cheyo riare na wagende achikwatiro kwetwokwe. Kare.
Webare mnonga MC Umjenyi witu mukuru honorable Mwinempaka, honorable members of parliament abariyaha abanyankore tuwe no kutwija ahabwa deneji basebo nabanyabo ankore kapu obwetandukanye nyine abanize ko patron wayo kandi kunarijeho hazaho chairman C5 wantungamo ninja hatarigiro hakuzaho deputy speaker obutu atandika mukamuzana tournament yona ichwa babaha miliyoni nk'itanu konke chikuru tukata kurebera umusente tutunga twanturebera promotinga tournament ejo nikishemeza munonga kurango hate kuzire ya attracting abantu bamani umutaraga ajya guyata miliyoni igana echo nichikuru munonga nchoreka ngo eriyone ikura. I'm happy leaders abinji bona bagigiremu kandi nikiyamba nabebembezi okwayi ayimukwana mu rwego district zanyu gukora hamwe kushangana mukora hamwe promoting a team promoting a district bamwe bakabanza bateka ngo abo nchi twikirize ngo hagira abazani bakurga heru bazemu twantwenda kubanza ku marketing tournament umuntu ayijayizere kureba muti yabo uri kuzana bwejo tugira abahagizi bingi konkane kindi na numuzano wabo hweju na wazane numuzano ari kuzanda mu Uganda Queens mbwe agira iki yamwegaho konka abantu bateguga mureka twakubura promoting a talent abantu 20 batanu bakurga heri yonka nabwo icyo talent tubantu promoting nabwo konka tutamoga umuntu ora abongera mani akabeje so mpira nico kurebera tubantu mu off season kwa mushanje mu kwa munana bari batakuzana league zabo nibwo twantuzana mpirege kandi babajyango ninza kuba ninkora kachiko ako buringaniza akachiko ko buringaniza kako nabwo hagira bizubu nturango bizubu twabitereza kandi swaza kugira nkebizubu byabiroho obushema na Bushenyi zahendiro mukoti sitwena ngo ibyo bigareke bibeho nabwo echo security roho kungana no buringaniza nza kuranga bwagumamo umupira gwitu echikurutirangi cyo kurebera hatinka umupira gwaba MPs banyeta guzana bampereza sati ya yereji ningijwara abo kuba nimba nta kureba yere kibina nimba nindeba ankore tournament nimba ndeba ankore cup kana tumunaje kwa to mungaro ora ngwasara kujwara so tukwenda twebembeze politics dero tushishe tournament yitu yenda kuba simo gundu murundi mwe bare kwija ababo hweju abari yahamwe mise mukono barebe hweju tukabamani munabagambira ngo hweju eyine ebikopo emyaka ebiri cyo kubanze kachitwara nubwo akabiri yakitwara mbuye noko imwe muza kujihura bwejo nimangu ni mwe manya kuzana kungime bwejo tumkajetegereze konka ninza kushaba bembezi engineer Karisa nabembeza abandi wabwejo kaunte eyinkurugamu n'umushara oba mu brazing ikintu cyo bakitahe munonga bachagire kora babone mbwenu banshaba ngunyete member wa parliament umucyara agwa Bushenyi Honorable Anet kandi urafta isa opening ceremony umuterere ngaro z'amari mununga aija hatugambire then karaheze atwetere owekitini Samwine mpaka ko mugenyi mukuru mwebare munonga nimbenezo mukoro murungi tubugana uko mu district zitokwe mwebare.
Honorable Webare Mnonga for your remarks. Mjenyi wito mkuru, honorable colleagues, members of parliament, abaliaha, former leaders, abaliaha, the mighty donors tonight, abantu mwena religious leaders abunkurebaha, ombitinisa byanyu banyabona basebo, mukama wita simu. Koko mwahurire amazina ndikatusime Anet Mugisha kandi abwemba bazam kama mchalo mjechero wabo Bushenyi district. First of all, nyenda kusimalanga bwo mwabazyogu. I also want to take this opportunity to appreciate the organizers for this special dinner as we prepare for Ankole tournament that is scheduled to take place on 6 June 2026. To me, this is a deal done. The commitment, the teamwork that is being exhibited here, you are being proactive, networking, I think this is already a success. There is a quote by Philip Coulter. He said that in this world, there are people who make things happen. There are 3 groups of people. Some people make things happen. Like there are people who made dysfunction happen. Some people watch things happening. And the last group wonder how things happened. For me, I'm very sure that whoever in this room is contributing on how this Ankole tournament will proceed. It is a testament that this evening so many things have happened and we cannot take things for granted, but we thank the Almighty for bringing you together this evening. To the people of Bushenyi, this is a big challenge. We cannot even celebrate it now. We should start getting worried actually that we are the one to host the mighty tournament, the beginning. We must begin with vibe. We must now start getting ready. We become proactive, we plan, and want to call upon you, honorable colleagues, members of parliament, want to call all of you, the organizers, to work with us so that it kicks off with vibe to prepare for the next host. But otherwise, we are honored to be the first, and I think we were not just chosen, but they knew we would make it. I therefore want to call upon the colleagues, members of parliament from Bushenyi district, from Shemba district, from Ntungamo. Let's now start planning. We should have started yesterday, but nevertheless, we shall start tomorrow and prepare and make this opening a success. Of course, for Modo district, you know what it means. I'm happy we have the technical team here. Can you please move forward, step forward, and they see you. Don't let us down. The technical team. I saw the mayor of the Bushenyi division, Central Division.
the honorable members of parliament present, the organizers of this tournament present, the media, the business community, ladies and gentlemen. Nyenda kubaza ntwara omugisha kubasiima mwena omugenyi mukuru ya right honorable Thomas Tayewa onkati yabaasa kwija mwemirimo but he has sent his apologies kandi yaturaganisa munaza kuba niitwe at least half of the games, especially the first game. Naza kuba niitwe kandi ekiturayitage kyona naza kukitu nyenda garika nsime sponsors ba tournament age. Each tournament age mukureba ti ya mwine mpaka munasa kundeba ha maninye guest of Newton guest of honor. Aha na nyinyine team Barra City. Each tournament age ne twena mwine kwekunda. Each tournament ya mwine mpaka tournament yaba buli omwine kwefa home district ye. Tingona mugamu jangwa ne ba MPs abarukuza kukiganyuramu inabatandikira ngo ba MPs mboba kuza kukiganyuramu awenche babeta awenche batagitwara age dina awenche batagitwara mu cyaro no age tournament ne twena twine kwekunda tingona muri ni nabatandike kusindika za message awenche dina mwagitwara Kampala tournament ya nkole tichine nshonga buri omwe district ye akwatire team ye ekikopo kola kitware ticha manyaba ba organizers ticha mwine mpaka ticha Cohen ne cha district yawo so abantu mbashoborere tournament yitu twena nyenda kusima ba organizers ba tournament age everything that begins to exist must continue to exist to the purpose. This is the 4th edition age tournament katandika kale kunketa eketa katunga ga vibe nkeji kata katunga gaba MPs nkaba bona barwiri nkuzomu chindechi so nyenda kusima ba organizers kandi mbesiga because nyonka kora ababona mukureba mission leadership ya youth ya regime yit ya 2011 2016 nkandi muna bills ababombi na Osbono kati yom leadership age na Dan Chimosho na muchiga na amrebo kwe Chigongo na Adeke mwamreba na Abeliliani ejo ni regime yetu ya 2011 2016 so nimba hero bujuruzi ngwaba bantu nibaza kwata jesente zitu kana tournament age ni nyirangwa hekuza mazima tukariba organization cage so nyenda kubahamsiriza mwena abatutwera mu tournament age nyenda kubahamsiriza ngo esente zanyu katushabe no matoka amanya konka katushabe nkoko nabe nimba manyano kweba kiri emirimo mbazaji tambuzaji nyenda karika nsime media abamahurre abari aha sports abantu bakira kweti ababa politics abakuza nka parliament abamahurre tubakukira kuba recognizing they in mabinyi naba central abo ninde aba Clive ba Dakaba manyabaha LVC these journalists kanga morujunga kwa binyi nabo mu central these sports journalists are never appreciated but I also want to encourage you to promote the local sport. When you go to South Africa, for example, when we were discussing about music, when you go to South Africa, all their clubs play South African music. You cannot hear Afrobeat, you cannot hear dance hall. They like their own music. But when you come to Uganda, it is different. Nozombara hura Afrobeat, Davido Manyachi, abanyi tumuko bahura. Hatkokika sports shana ubareseza corporate. Konkako kuzom sports. These journalists, I want to appreciate your work, but I want to encourage you. Promote the local sport. I was in Tanzania. Really, when you see Simba playing, Yanga playing, they will not watch even a Champions League game. They cannot. They all concentrate on their local sport. Educating the mind without educating the heart is no education at all. It is you journalists that have to help us educate these people to love themselves, to love their teams, So I want to thank you, but I encourage you to help us educate the people to love their own teams. I want to thank the members of parliament. Like I said, our members of parliament, umundu naemera abuza aba MPs hati bishakora chi bishakutwala chintu chitu. We are the largest contributors in the development of sport of this country. We are the ones that pass these budgets, you see. Every year these members of parliament have, is it Christmas Cup, Border Cup. They unconsciously promote sports at the local level, at the ground. So I want to appreciate them for sacrifice. We are too many in Ankole, we are very many. But the few that have sacrificed their hard-earned money, we suffer for this money. You people think we are just eating. This money we have contributed, it has gone, finished, kwisha. But they have come here, they have given us time. They are going to promote sport in their respective districts. So I want to appreciate these members of parliament for the work they are doing in as far as promotion of sports. I also want to thank the business community. The business community, really, there are very few of you. These journalists, I like talking about the journalists in Central because whenever they host me on their TVs, Bambi Samwe Gali. Mwe abanyankole, muri kuchi. Ebisaba byamwe biringa ennimiro, mwe abali mu kintu ekintu kiriwa tewali temusobola kapiira. But I want to really thank the business community, those who have come out. These people think Western Ankole has the most money. You are the ones with money. But there are very few of us who can contribute to the development of sport. Very few. So I want to thank the few. I've seen some businessmen here, the few, wonders and the rest who are willing to spend their hard-earned money in the development and promotion of sport. Ebitukuza kuyom sports naro mupira oguni bingi. Promotion of talent. Abana bitu nibaza kuyamemeremo. Aba MPs batwene bakora bwa tournament wa districts nachi. Kongeji tournament abana nibaza kubareberaho. Numureba ba mucurezaho bahirare mukundane nareba munabande ba Mavini nabandi. We are proud. Ware baba bana bemerira bakurugoma Ankole. Numuzoko mweto mbwita manya national team sijui bawe bituga na bahebe they bribe tetuina banyankole chichi. But where would you get them if you are not promoting the sport? You saw these young men here, they are about 4 and the others, but we are proud when you see a Munyankole on that national team. When you say Munyankole scoring, is it KCCA Mbara City? We are happy. We are very proud. So there are many benefits. Unity. Nareba father, nareba religious leaders of all sorts. We have been grappling with a big challenge of politics of identity. Itoe mbeznito tukubona bona. Anyorio mkristayo tokuza kutunga karuru. Malilio mkristo tokuza kutunga karuru. Manyorio msilamu tokuza kutunga karuru. Ebyona toka amanyo mupiro kuntubasa kubitambera. Hatukokora ba Reverend Father ha mupira. Mnoba promotingo mpira. Wale wa muishe ya kwata jaze ya jangu ya kujware ya yero izobede taine shum. So ebyona unity. Ogompira nukuza kutuyamba. Kugita abantu. Ntubasa kuyam na security. Itongo mstate obushuma bwingi. Abana baza kuzana biyemwe emirimo. Mbarasene basa kureberaho ekomurimo. KCCA kureberaho ekomurimo. We have created an avenue for our young people. Abilities of no account without opportunity. Wasako ino mwana arukumanya mpira na ashambira okumcharo bweju. Kunkatinura murebe. We are providing an opportunity. Itwa bariya mwena bariya ba contributing. You are providing an opportunity for these young people to be identified and for people to see their ability. Health. Imwa shabakuru numuiruka mzomu golf. Manyani ine connections. Kunga even at our age we can still play football and interconnect. But it is very important for health to our parliament to in teams on pira, to in teams of basketball nebindi. So there are so many benefits in the Sha's agenda, but the true history of the world is a history of a conversation. We have started this conversation of how we can promote sport. Infrastructure development. Ebishayi babyomekero kuyona itwe tujya tufana kacheka tufana nebishayi bya bushenyi tukabaki noto akatulinzire government is tournament zakutetera abantu batandika ku developing infrastructure nimpura rubirizi nore naza kombeka ekishayi ndite turonde sente zokombeka ekyambara site tukagurita kakonka tukatungire sente nabano zakushanga batandika kombeka ebishayi economy abarabe ne baza kuzana bushenyi erizo abanyamu muza kutunga sente nyinyi kabagarame mwene yagweru konga barazo mu maduka tournament buri kwijo wanyu esente zibakureko wanyu so mwene yo nija kusima omukitinisa kya right honorable deputy speaker tukuzagamba binje shaza tukwata nimbasima mwene omutinisa byanyu tuzo mupira ogu tushemerwe tutarwana nyaba impiza abana barabye mwegari kazoni ye yasinga yo kazona na ibanda ebyo mtakamfo umpira ntwenda obusinje ntwenda nitwe batulebe. Those journalists you see there have promoted sports, but the little time I've been in sports to in a tournament iba kweta masaza numujumanya ba MPs ba central numbashangane birukano bas niba supporting a team zao nimwe ba MPs nimwe ba politicians abariyokwe ba mayor ba chairman abarukutulebe ba chairman LC1s nimwe to promoting ni to tuboreke kitwine ibyo kujya ngo abanyankore tubakumanya mpira tubakaza na mpira ni 2028 benka masaza nyonyine timu ya Mbara Stefse abana binyiro mu masaza ni bingi abo akitako biho mu team zitu eche kitwatandika kyaza kwiguramisho gabantu bingi ibyo kujya ngo mpira no gwabayayi. Football is for the bayayi and your mother doesn't want you to go to the pitch and play. We want to end that. Football is employment. Those young boys you see, they don't look bad. They are getting paid. They are getting salaries. If we can promote more other young people, and I want to thank them. By young tournament in the foreign players batan. Chineshong. Can't nishangu batakisha kwa chendes. If you want to promote, if you want to have this competition in England, yakaenda kuchirete charem. If you want to have competition, you must accept other people. At least a few, but you put a threshold. When nebye bichetingo na kishobwire bwanyu nisha kubasima tine bugarikiro mwebare mnonga bona batutwera ndubashamuze ko organizing a team zanyu ompira gwa MPs ni mbashaba or willing hatuchenda kuforcing omuntu man tukutala ina hapo takwenda nobwo akubori urubuma MP niwe nozana nitwe in team ya MPs kandi dana akabaha urimwe abamahuririjo mwetware mureke muzana na bakama banyu so tukwenda kura ngane MP bamutaka gara ariyo ambulance yana aza kuteba mureka tebe konka ba MPs abarukwenda. It should be demand driven. Taro kuro muntu matu akutala inapu amogya mutiriyo utakwenda kuzana ndijo nazana. So ba MPs abarukwenda ba journalists tujiro mpira gwihorere obusinje to promoting ompira gwitu nchakare ni itwe batumanye. Let us be proud. Let us gain that pride as ankole that we can also participate in sports. When nebe bichemwe bare mnonga rukunde gumeho. I wish you a wonderful tournament.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's appreciate our guest of honor. Mwebare mnonga kandi mazima mwebare. Speech ejo ya begea man mnonga. Oine mumutima na jeshi. Ladies and gentlemen, munchirize mbanjurire ho ba brand ambassadors aba Ankore Cup 2026 bebembirwe brand ambassador orukurabazana bona bamweta Paul Muchurezi from Ntungamo district. Kandi bijo misha hampora ahabwa speed yaman mnonga kanda abo barumuna apofi ya kurugakazo nayo kazo yafuna yo ambassador no aba fans. Umba ambassador abo twine muna honorable mwine mpaka araku representinga abebembezi. Umba brand ambassador wena overall wa tournament, the official brand ambassador of Ankole Cup 2026 is none other than Eddie Kenzo Musuza, and was here a few minutes back. We are going to pose for the photo. In the same spirit, I also invite Chigongo Hasman to represent the members of the committee in this photo. Chigongo Hasman, is he still around? Okay. Honorable Mwijiche Francis owa discipline abari mu kishaneki hamwe na Honorable Ruteraho wa Vibe Chief Mobilizer wa Ankole Cup 2026. Chief Mobilizer wa Vibe Honorable Ruteraho, and please come for this photo. Kana nishabana ba organizers ba Ankole Cup ni muzo mu kishaneki for the interest of time. In the same spirit, ninza kushaba, are we done? Okay, kade ba ambassadors mu rugo mu kishaneki cyahwa. Nyenda aba ambassadors kuba ragerere nyenda ba MPs bona bije bateze kishane. All the members of parliament who are present, please. Okay. I have Ankole region ambassador, of course, we know the Buruakis Fred Mumurabiri Dara. I have a Yara member of parliament. Ankole regional ambassador, Honorable Fred Ruakis Murevere Chumwe. Kandi twineno mwana witundi Jomba Mweta Buhaburwa Emmanuel Babu. I have a member of parliament for Yara na Wemazuma Mureve Mutaka Mwebwa. Ekishane kino kishane ky'amaani munonga. Oriyo wa Vibe kandi munchirize Nyanjura na ASP Muhumuza Ronald and the wife, they are very present here, and security is guru. ASP Muhumuza Ronald and your dear wife, thank you so much for coming. Asanteni sana. Security guru mazima wawaenda kuleta hoyo chintu chona ninjira mwachenga ngu security eri okay. Members of parliament baruhaha. Okay. Munchirize in the same photo tuwete mana wa sponsors. Ambassador wa Chigezi na warahaha kurugarubabo. Honorable member of parliament. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for coming. I will now, there is one photo for the organizers and the chief guest. Only one photo. Only one photo. Only. Mayanga secondary head teacher na warjaha. Ntwende one photo ya organizers and the chief guest, please. We have dinner, ladies and gentlemen. Members of parliament, mutaka turugaho twine dinner hera ho. Nienda group photo ya organizers and the chief guest.